Hi guys, welcome back. Lesson how to fix the Civilization 6's damaged error on Mac. Civilization 6 may not be brand new, but it remains a hugely popular strategy game with excellent replay value for fans of the series. If you're playing it on a Mac, you might have encountered an issue where the game won't start. The error usually reads, Civilization 6 app is damaged and can't be opened. You should move it to the trash. This file was downloaded on an unknown date with the options move to trash or cancel. If you're seeing this error on macOS and can't launch the game, don't worry at all. There's a pretty simple way to bypass it and get back to enjoying your favorite strategy game on your Mac. That's it. Let's get started. So first try updating the game. Just launch Steam on your Mac and then you have to navigate to the library section. After that, update Civilization 6 to the latest version. Then you have to attempt to play the game. Just click on play from the Steam app. You may now encounter the Civilization 6 is damaged error. Don't worry at all because this is normal. Now just click on the Apple menu located at the top left corner of the screen and then choose the system settings option. After that, head over to the privacy and security option and scroll down until you see the message Civilization 6 app was blocked to protect your Mac. Now click on Open Anywhere option. You may be prompted to use Touch ID or enter your admin password. After authentication, the warning dialog will appear again, but this time you will see an open option. Now click it to launch the game and you're all set. So that's how you can get rid of this annoying problem and play the Civilization 6 game on your Mac without any hindrance at all. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it and do subscribe for more such handy tips and tricks, and I'll catch you up in the next one.